Discmaniacs, it's time for an unusual video because I have a box here and I have no idea what's inside it, so let's find out. I got a text message like 20 minutes ago that I have a box for me from Discmania, and I haven't got any other messages from them. So I have a set of test discs in here, and I have to keep this a bit secret right now, but I'll come back with you guys with some test driving with these discs, so stay tuned. So I checked the box, and actually there was 4 different kind of discs. At first I thought there was a pile of 1 disc, but there was 4 different kind of discs. I'm pretty excited right now, so I can't wait to test those discs and give you a nice review about them. So as I said, stay tuned and thanks for watching.